Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Raghav.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Any problem? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Madan, you installed software?
What, sir?
You installed the software?
I install software, sir. Sir, my cloud account some issues, sir. What problem, sir?
Sorry?
My institute account some issues, sir.
Your system some issues.
Institute, our wrong type mail ID, sir.
That is not the part. I am asking the software is installed or not.
I install, sir.
Okay. Practice? Okay, we are waiting for the Krishna, then we start. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Hello. Tell me.
I think he's late. Shall we start? You wanna wait or start?
For 5 minutes, you can start.
In 5 minutes we start, okay?
Okay.
Hmm. Hello? Hello? Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to open a new file here. Raghav, are you there now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to open a new file again. Go to new file, training metric. Okay. And save in a folder. Give the name here geometry. Because today we are going to create a geometry alignment, the horizontal alignment part. Okay, so I'm giving the name geometry and save this file. Now we have to attach here that file, that is name is aerial logo, in which we have some points. We have to create a alignment first, what we did yesterday in the lab. Okay, same thing we have to do it again, and then we are going to create and give the start stations, end stations, annotations, and then we have to apply it horizontal report. Okay, horizontal alignment report, and then we are going for vertical alignment for it. This is our today's task. I'm going to attach the file. Metric aerial topo. Fit view to see this file here. Okay. Now I can see here in the attributes that background map type is none. You can use hybrid. Both are the same thing. It is by default there. You can visible it. Okay. Now we have to create here our alignment first. How we are going to align? Using line command. Line where it is line in the geometry tab. Okay. So go to the geometry tab and go select the line. Okay. Line between the points, and I'm directly created it. Okay. From first point, center of this center is not picked by default. So go for the snapping, and then you can choose first point and second. If you have data, I told you yesterday how to give a distance and angle. Okay. First, it's setting the distance. Left click to accept. Then it's asking for the angle. Okay. Now again, first point to second point direct. Then first point and second point direct. Then first point and second point direct. This is by line we are created. Now we are going for the simple arc to build it. And here we need to give first element, second element, and give this radius. How much? It is locked now. You have to unlock it first, and then you can maintain it to this size. It is approximate 200. Okay, enter it to lock and click to accept. And trim both sides. Both ends you want to trim? Yes. Left click to accept. Now it is trimmed. Then we go for the second. First element, second element. Pass it to this side. See, it is approximate 9,000. Accept to pick, trim both ends. Okay. Now we are going for the next point. This side, first element and second element. and I'm passing through this approximate 750. Take it and click to accept. Now both ends are trimmed. Now it is ready. Okay. This portion we already completed yesterday also. Any doubt in it? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to convert this file. See, this is the only line and arc right now. Now we have to convert into horizontal alignment. How we are going to convert? Using complex geometry. Okay. Here we have the already element. So we are going for complex geometry by element. Okay. Click on it. Now it is asking for method. It is taken a manual. I am going to use automatic now. It is taken 0.01 the minimum gap. If here we have this gap also, so it is maintained it. Okay, not more than it. So you can check. If you want to give some name, see it is a horizontal alignment. That is geometry center line. You can change the feature definition first here. Go for alignment and take a geometry center line here and give this a name here. Its name is a London Road. I'm giving the name here. London Road. Okay. Give this name. Now we have to select the element by element. One by one we need to select. So I told you yesterday, see, when we are selecting the element, now here, if we are using upper half, so the arrow is going downside, see? It means its direction should be downside. But we have to go forward, na? So we need to select bottom half. See, the arrow is now upper side. Clear? Now we are going to this direction. So select this one. It is taken automatically. The whole till here. Okay, because we are using method automatic. If we are using manual, manual means we have to select separate. Now, accept to complex, left click to accept. Okay, now it is converted into complex geometry. How it is completed? How we know it is completed? Now you are going to select it and hover on it. You see, it is selected completely in a one click. That means this is converted into horizontal alignment. Now you can see the data on it also. Okay, you want to change, I told you yesterday also, we can change anytime. You want to add it by point. See, here we have that point. You can add it, you can change the radius. Any movement you want to change, here also we have that point. Here also we have 2 points. See, we can change anytime. Here also we have. It is not to the center. It is at center. So it's not. So it's a graphic problem. No? It is at center. Okay. Now I want to check it. It is created properly or not. For that, you need to go to the Explorer. In Home, we have Explorer, which is already opened here. Explorer. And then we have to go to Open Road Model and check the complex geometry will be created or not. It is visible into the geometry region, into alignment, into geometry baseline. Now see, here we have one complex element named London Road. Is that okay? It means horizontal alignment is ready. Now I want to create its report. Okay, you want to see its profile. So just you have to right click over there. We have all the options. You want to see properties of it. You want to see profile model. You want to create horizontal geometry report. So we have all the options in this right click. Otherwise, the same options we can just hover on it and we see all the options are here also, the shortcut. That is property, Then we have profile model. And we have, if you want to create a corridor in it, corridor we have. Here we have this horizontal geometry report also. Okay. So all the options are in shortcut window also. If you want to choose from here, you can. Otherwise, you can go through with the Explorer. Now I'm going to open first its report. So just you have to click horizontal geometry report and you will get the data. See, this is horizontal alignment report. It is created on Thursday, 12th January, time 8:55. Okay, what is the file name? When it is last revised, all the things are available here. See, it is not a single report. Here we have multiple reports. See, you see the names of it. Horizontal alignment area, and check integrity, control line data. Right now we are seeing horizontal line review. This is the horizontal review report. Okay, in which you can see the start station from 0. Okay, radius they are provided 200 at first element. See, this is about first element. First we are going for linear, then we go for the circular arc, then linear, again circular arc. This kind of alignment we are created. Okay, so all data, all angles, or chord length, tangent length, all the directions are available in it. Now you want to see, no, I want to see some more thing. Like I want to see the horizontal alignment length. The review only. I want to see only length. What we can do? Go for horizontal alignment length. You can see the total London Road length is 1196 meters. Okay. See, all units reports are in meters. We are working with metric now, so this unit is in meters. If you said no, I don't want in meters, then you are going to change into the design file settings. Go to the backstage and you can change the settings in there. See, go to file, settings, file, design file settings. You can change the working units here. The accuracy you can see after a dot 5 digits. You can go through with this. The label is in meters or mm. Subunit is in mm. Okay. So like this, you can change the values here. If you want to see in the civil formatting, you can see the values are visible as after dot 4 digits.
Hello. Good evening,
Yes.
sir. Sir, I am not visible
Yes.
with the desktop, sir.
Why you are
Hello?
late?
Sorry, sir. I am getting late because today is my work conference, so I am getting late. Just I
Okay,
am
no
just
problem.
I am coming. So I am already run off and join the classes. Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. I'm sharing again. No problem.
So only I am seeing the desktops.
Now visible?
Okay, sir. Visible. Desktop, sir. Visible, sir. Visible.
Okay, now we are working with the civil formatting. If you want to change something, you can change into the design file settings. It is available on the backstage, settings, file, design file settings. Here we can change the active angle scale. Want to change the scale. So all the things we can change it here. So to cancel, I'm going to start drawing again. Now here we have this horizontal alignment report. Okay, you want to see some more things like curve set review, curve data, or anything, or the station equations you want to see. I here we didn't have. Okay, the alignment for vertical alignment, what we required. It is a vertical alignment review report. See, vertical we are not created here. Only horizontal will be visible. When we are created vertical also visible here. Okay, so that all kind of civil geometry reports are created here. Okay, now see, I'm telling you again how we get it. Just we are created this alignment, then we are converted this alignment into horizontal alignment by using complex geometry, by complex by element, and then we are taking automatic method and select our file, select our line alignment, and it is accept by left click so that it is created, which is visible on your Explorer open model here, geometry complex. Now from here we can create our horizontal geometry report. Just click on it and we get our data. Okay. Now, next thing is, now we want to change its starting value. Just suppose start from 0 distance, and I want to give some start station here. And I want to give here some start. Suppose I will start with 50. Now I'll show you this one in the PDF first. And from here, see, it is started from 100. No, I want to show you the exact one with proper data. Now we have to define the start station. So see what it says. It says we have to give the start distance is 0. Okay, and left click to accept. See, whenever you are using left click means exception, or if you cancel, you have to use right click. And the start station we had to take 50 plus. Or we are working with meters, we can use 5 plus 000. Okay, anything you can choose. This is a start station. And after some stations, we get the values. Okay, now 50, 51, 52, 53 like this. Or it is 5 to 5, 5.1, 5.2, or 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. We have the start stations. Now it shows you like this. Here it is. When we are started from 50 plus. Okay, so this is here 51 plus, 52 plus, 53 plus. So these are the annotations. So first we have to set from where we are going to start, that is the start station, and then we have to provide here some annotations. Okay, annotate our horizontal alignment. Now first we are going to give the start station. Okay, now see, it is available in the geometry horizontal in the modify start station. Okay, we are giving the value from 50 plus. So take a start station and select your element. Okay, see, it is started from this point. Now see, it is taken by default this point, and it is started distance should be 0. So left click to accept 0 distance. Then it is start from 50 plus. See, already it is taken 50 plus. I'm not going to change it. Just left click to accept 50. Okay, now giving distance is 0. The start station is 50 plus. Okay, that is provided. Now we have to annotate. See, it is visible here. You can see it is 50 plus and the distance is 0. It is visible. Now properly we want to annotate on this one, all the stations I want to see on it. So that is basically annotation. Okay, so from annotation we can see we want to change the scale also. So that portion is available into drawing. Clear? We have to go to the drawing, and here we have option the annotation scale lock. It is 1:500. That is okay. If you want to change a different scale, you want to see, so you can change the scale here. Okay, now I want to go for annotation to our file. Go to geometry, the modify. No, it is not here. The drawing production, annotation element, annotation element. Now we have to go to drawing production. I want to annotate all the stations on the file. So in the drawing production, you have to go to the annotation. In the element annotation, you go for annotate element. See, it is asking for reset to complete. Left click to accept. Select your model. And left click to accept. But it's not working. Now it will take. See? All data you can see here. Now visible? See? 50. After have 50 plus 100. This 50 plus 124.796. It is having some data, value, radius, all the things are available here. The point is 50 plus 166.530, then 50 plus 200. Okay, so like this you can take. The annotation is visible here. Every complete 100 we get the data. Okay, any doubt here? Any doubt? Hello?
One repeat that. Annotate part. Right.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Madan.
Sir, annotate part explain, sir.
Hmm?
Drawing tab annotate to explain, sir.
I'm not getting what? Annotation.
Annotation.
Okay, now see, what we have to do for these annotations, like I want to see that data on our alignment, what we have to do, we have to go to drawing production, go to an element annotation and select the annotate element. Okay, after this, see on the cursor, it's asking for locate element, reset to complete. So first you have to select your element, okay, and then right click to complete it. So that you get the data here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Any other doubt? Now, what we have next? So we're asking for the terrain model and we are using 2D and 3D. And then we are going to see its vertical profile. Okay? The actual profile we have to see. For that reason, we have to attach this file with the terrain. Okay? See, right now we are not adding terrain. It is a straight line. The elevation is not there. Yes? Right now the elevation is not there. Only 2D line will be there. Now we have to attach this file with our 3D data. 3D data means we have to attach here one 3D file. That is our terrain file. Okay? For that, what we have to do? Go to home, attach, tools, attach. Here we have the download. The terrain metric we have to attach here. Open. Okay. Close. Now see, it is attached. This is our terrain data. Here we have this London Road in it. Okay. Now we have to attach these two files. So what we have to do? So you have to see first two models are there or not. First we are going to home tab. In the primary we have models option. Click on this option. Oops. Here we have only again default model. 3D is not there. Now I'm going to open one view. See, first we have to active model, this terrain model. Select it. Right click. Here we have option. This set as a active terrain model. First you need to set it active. Click on it. Now it is active. Now let's check the model are 2 or not. Now see here we have 2 models. Clear? Now I'm opening one 3D view also. Right click over there and then go to the view control and select that plan 3D. See here we have 2D view, here we have 3D view. You can see the default 3D. Okay. Now in the model we have to justify which one is 2D, which one is 3D. So what we have to do? Open this, select the default first and select your 2D view to apply. Then default 3D and apply on this 3D view. Okay. Now it is set which one is 2D, which one is 3D. Here. Okay. Now I can see this is existing model, define 2D, 3D views. I show you it here. Now see here we have 1 and 2. 2D and 3D data. We are assigning it by using default this one, default 3D is this one. Okay. It is available on this book. Now we have go for vertical geometry. I'm going to off. Now see this alignment is ready to work with our data. Okay. I'm closing it, open it. Now this file is attached with this data. It means its vertical profile is also there. Means we have to see actual vertical profile first. Then we are going to create a proposed one. Okay. First we are going to use here profile model. I want to see. So how we can see? Just go for complex element. Select from here or directly you can select from here. Right click over there and select your open profile model. Click on it and then you have to find out, see on the cursor, it's asking for select or open view. You can choose any view in which you want to place profile model of this alignment. That is basically London Road. Okay, so I'm opening suppose fourth one and click here to get its vertical profile, actual data. See, throughout this London Road, this is the actual profile. Okay, you can see a challenge value also that we are giving 50 plus, starting for 50. Okay, it is end at 5196. 5196 it is completed. Okay, that's why our full length is 1196. Huh? Like this we can open our profile. Now you want to see some changes in it. You want to see its attributes, you want to add something, you want to move something, you want to. So here we have multiple options: brightness, zoom in, zoom out, which portion you want to see. So here we have all the data. Clear? So after opening the profile, see it is look like this, the same. Okay. If you want to see in a different scale, like this, here it is asking for different scale is 20, but the vertical acceleration is asking for 20. What we can do here, the vertical acceleration in the attributes we have acceleration right now is 10, but in the example it shows 20, so we go for 20 acceleration. Okay, the scale should be changed only. In MX Road also we are taking 10:1 ratio in the vertical acceleration. I hope you remember. Okay. Now any doubt? Tell me. Till now any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let's see what is next we have. we had to create a vertical profile here now. Now see the data first, because directly we are creating with any data, but just suppose we have to create it now. So what is data available here? Let's see. Let's check first and then we apply. And see, it is started from 50 plus. Okay, and the Z value should be 192.432. And we have to change it to 167.74. We have to change it by 50.7. And then here it is. We start from here. We have to give some slope value here, 0.64%. And length we have to choose 716.230. Then after, see, like this we have to create. Okay. So you can see when we see the proper data. Like this we need to create, see. So actual data, we have to read all the lines. Okay, I share with you this one. You can create by using this data. Right now I'm creating manually. Okay, now see, now we have to create all the things here. Like this we have to create one vertical proposed lane basically. This is the actual one. Now we need to create the proposed one. What we can do, we have to go to geometry and go to the vertical alignment. In the vertical, now we have to choose line here. Okay, line between the points we are taking. Okay, we have to start from the first point, start station. Now, which slope, which angle you require, that shows 0.64, sorry. So you can type the length you have to take. Okay, so just apply the length and the angle. So suppose I'm taking it at, let's take 64 degree, 64%. Okay, like this you can take, or you can apply the length also. If you have the different length, 120 suppose, I'm taking 120 length. Enter, and then we give the angle. Okay, next we are going for suppose downfall. Then suppose we are going for going more down. Then we will go for the upper. Okay, and then we go for the next. Make sure start and end should be common. Okay, and the same axis we need to take. Now we have to give some arc here. So go for curve. Here we have in the line. You need parabola, circular curve to element. I'm taking suppose circular curve to element or profile curve between the elements using circular curve between the elements. First element and second element, provide the radius like before we are using already. I'm taking any value and trim. Okay, taking same thing here.
Sir, display is not visible.
Hello.
Sir, your display is not visible, sir. Your back, my back.
Sorry.
display is not visible, sir.
What?
Your display is not visible, sir. Your P.
Display is not. Raghav, it is visible, Krishna.
I'm not visible, sir. All over here. 2 members are visible, sir.
Yes, sir, visible.
I'm just logging, sir. My account.
Okay, okay. I'm sharing again. 1 second. Now visible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to give here again arc and trim. See, we get this vertical profile. Okay. It is completed. Again, we have to convert into the complex geometry so that it is converted into vertical alignment. Now this is a line only, but we need to convert into the vertical alignment. So here we have complex geometry option available here also in the vertical geometry profile. Just you have to click vertical complex, profile complex by elements. We have to choose and take the method as automatic. If certain gap are available, so it is filled by this. Now we need to give here, this is also the alignment. Kind of alignment or linear. See here, vertical option is available. The profile option, yes, profile is there. For profile geometry baseline, we are going to take. And you can give its name also. London Road. I am giving the name in V. This vertical profile. Okay. And then you're asking for locate first element. So I'm going to select like this. So that the arrow will be right side and it's taken by default full curve and then accept to complex. Now it is converted into complex geometry. Okay, just close it and now we can find out is available or not. You can see here in the alignment, go for see here we have profile. In profile we have London Road V, the profile one. Okay, all data are visible here in the Explorer also. Stationing we already did it. The stationing is available here. All the things we can see. Is it clear? Tell me. See, if is it not clear now? So we can't go further. Okay, first we need horizontal alignment, stationing, annotation, then report. Now we are going to create a vertical profile. Now we have to create a vertical profile report. Okay, so what we can do here, then the complex, right click into this. Oh, sorry, in the horizontal alignment, there is vertical profile also. Now you can go to this horizontal geometry report. Here we have the geometry, horizontal and vertical both are there. See, okay. If you want to see save this data, so here we have file and save your file as your document file. Okay, you can see, you can save as a document file also. Document means basically Word file. It is converted into Word file. Okay, so we can save this data also. If you want to change it into the format, like after this, you want to see only 1 digit or 3 digits. See, it shows in 3 digits. All the things are in 3 digits. You want to change it, you can. You want to see in degree or gradients or radians and mils, you can change the value. Okay. See, the station is look like 4 times dot ss, like this, like this, like this. See, it is a before point, it shows all the digits. No, I want to see 2 digits and then plus, and change it, and you can close. It is changed now. See, it is 500 plus now, 501 plus. We can change the data. It's visibility basically. Clear? Is it clear? See, it's vertical alignment also. It is known as profile report we can create. Okay. So this vertical profile, horizontal alignment, both are visible here. No. See, all data you can see on it, or you can simply hover. Here we have this one profile report. That is basically vertical alignment report. See, only vertical. If you want to see separate files, na, that is horizontal, this is vertical. Okay. You want to see it, its format is not correct. You want to change its format, go to tools, format option, and you can change option here. Okay. Now I'm giving you time to practice first. Then we go forward. And I think this session is also completed. No, this one. The vertical profile is also completed here. What we learned today, we learned these all options. See, we learned a new file, horizontal geometry we are created today. We have created annotations, define stations. We have created terrain model, added with 2D. Okay. Then we create a vertical profile and its alignment also. Here, I'm sharing with you this PPT in which we have the data, and then you try it first. And these files also I'll share with you. Please check the mail. Now create a new file and open this aerial topo first, and then create horizontal alignment, vertical profile. Okay. Now try. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Any doubt? Krishna, Raghav, Madan,
No, sir. We're trying.
fine. Okay. When completed, tell me. Na?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello? Hello, Raghav, Krishna. What happened?
Yes,
It's
sir.
not completed.
Sir, still practicing, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? Any problem you are facing?
No, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello? Hello? Yes,
Sir.
Raghav.
Sir, while drawing vertical alignment,
Huh?
we have to consider the equal amount of cut and fill.
We are trying that. The cutting and filling is 50-50%.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, sir, we'll practice
It's
today.
not necessary basically. It depends on the data when we are creating it. Na? So which is what is the rising gradient and falling gradient? Sorry?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Your voice is not clear, Raghav.
Hello. Sir, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello?
Sir, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Raghav?
Sir, can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Your voice is not clear. What you are telling?
I just asked about that vertical alignment. While drawing vertical alignment, we have to consider the equal amount of
You are not
cut.
audible properly.
Sir, maybe I am having network issue, I think.
Yes, Raghav. Hello? Yes, Raghav. What happened? Yes, I can, but it's not clear. Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Okay. Okay, practice till vertical alignment. Okay. The profile model and how to see the vertical alignment report also. And after that, we start from tomorrow. Okay. Okay, Krishna. Good night, Raghav. Krishna. Hello, Krishna.